Wake up on time. Wake up on time. Fold your blanket. Fold your blanket. Wash your face with soap. Wash your face with soap. Brush your teeth properly. Brush your teeth properly. Take a fresh bath. Take a fresh bath. Wear your school uniform. Wear your school uniform. Comb your hair neatly. Comb your hair neatly. Eat healthy breakfast. Eat healthy breakfast. Let fresh air come in. Let fresh air come in. Open the windows. Open the windows. Pack your school bag. Pack your school bag. Be ready on time. Be ready on time. Leave for school early. Leave for school early. Do your homework. Do your homework. Read your book. Read your book. Practice daily. Practice daily. Complete your work on time. Complete your work on time. Pay attention in class. Pay attention in class. Listen to your teacher. Listen to your teacher. Write neatly. Write neatly. Revise your lesson. Revise your lesson. Ask questions. Ask questions. Keep your books safe. Keep your books safe. Don't waste food. Don't waste food. Eat your food properly. Eat your food properly. Speak politely. Speak politely. Share your things. Share your things. Don't shout. Don't shout. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. Say please. Say please. Say thank you. Say thank you. Wash your hands before eating. Wash your hands before eating. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Help others. Help others. Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Put things in place. Put things in place. Throw trash in the dustbin. Throw trash in the dustbin. Organize your toys. Organize your toys. Help in cleaning. Help in cleaning. Clean your table. Clean your table. Wear clean shoes. Wear clean shoes. Say sorry when wrong. Say sorry when wrong. Play nicely. Play nicely. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. Listen to your parents. Listen to your parents. Stay neat and tidy. Stay neat and tidy. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. Don't skip breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. Be responsible. Be responsible. Be honest. Be honest. Don't fight. Don't fight. Be a good child. Be a good child.